Hello everyone. Today I am so excited to show you one of our recently completed 13 years old 3 BHK flat renovation project right here in Rainbow Oaks apartment, Suraksha Nagar, Begur, Bangalore. I am Pawan Kumar. Welcome back to your channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Let's get into the video. Regarding the scope of this project, it includes a complete gut and renovate of all the 3 bathrooms, a brand new fully loaded modular kitchen and utility area, replacing every old switches to new one, and full house painting. We'll go one by one. This is a master bedroom bathroom. Let's take a look at how it was before. As you can see, the original bathrooms were functional but completely outdated. Our goal was to transform them into modern, efficient and truly luxury spaces. Step 1 is always demolition. We carefully removed all the old tiles, sanitary fittings and plumbing right down to the concrete. After the demolition work was completed, we proceeded with plastering work, ensuring proper water curing to strengthen the surface. Once the plastering was set, we carried out the plumbing route installations and marked all electrical points as per the layout. Next, we began the sunken treatment process. This involved applying the first layer of waterproofing up to 3 feet to seal and protect the area. After we filled sunken portion with weightless cinder and concrete. After concrete curing, we applied second time waterproofing. This gives us that extra layer of protection against any future seepage. For the walls, we have used these beautiful 2x4 matte vitrified grey tiles laid up to the ceiling with 2 mm space, which we then fill with epoxy grout. It stops any water seepage from the gaps and prevents blocked moldy grout lines. We also created these trending concealed wall niches for all the 3 bathrooms with built-in light and used corner beading on all the edges for that clean professional finish. For the floor, we used anti-skid tiles for safety and we have clearly divided the wet and dry areas. To elevate the aesthetic, we have installed sleek tile drains that blend seamlessly with the overall design. Give the space a modern and refined look. Here we have installed single piece 6D rimless commode and plumbing fixtures include an overhead shower, diverter, hand shower and this beautiful semi-undermount wash basin from the brand Premium Cera. And we added an vanity with LED mirror. This will really enhance the space, feel luxurious. Ventilator is most important for every bathroom. Here we have provided new UPVC window and added an exhaust fan. This will keep the bathroom fresh and mold free. This is a powder bathroom. Let's take a look at how it was before. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos about old home renovation, house structural renovation, bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation and interior design updates. If you want to turn your old home into a modern one, you are in the right spot. Yes, Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company is your one-stop solution for all your needs. We don't just renovate space, we elevate lifestyle. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today. Thank you.